We got some man in here.
What's up?
We can make this shit
We're
happen.
stood outside Flex Fitness with a number of the crew. We've got Uzoma, we've got Doug, we got Zach, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 arms. And we're about to put him through a 1,000 rep challenge. So this is a 1,000 rep arm workout challenge, and we're gonna do this shit as fast as we can. We're gonna do it in pairs, so it's on, off, and we're gonna beast this and see how quick we can get through it. You think you can beat us at this challenge?
That's a fire intro.
We'll see. So we've lost Uzoma, I don't know why, but if you ever hang out with him for any longer than 20 minutes, you'll realise he just goes off into another dimension every so often, then comes back to our realm. So, important things for these workouts. If you want to pump and you want vascularity, you need 1, hydration. That means drinking lots of water. I don't need to show you a water bottle. Get one, fill it with water, keep drinking it through the workout. 2, we're talking about carbs, fats, and salt. Now, I showed you this in the 7-day transformation. At the end of that, when I showed you how to peak, I slammed that 2 grams of salt. That's extreme. You don't want to be doing that before every session. But a good bit of salt before is going to help with that vascularity. With that in mind, I have rice cakes with dark chocolate. That's fats on our quick carbs. Salted peanut caramel bar. So we have 0.5 gram of salt in this, plus quick carbs and some simple fats. Around these type of workouts is where you can eat the shit that you love that isn't technically good for you. This kind of stuff, which you wouldn't want to eat sat down watching TV, you can utilize this, enjoy it, and put it to purpose when you do things like this. So you want fun stuff, put them around your workout. Bulk, simple calories around your workout, that's going to help you get in those macros that you need without bloating you out, without having to cook bulky meals. Let's get to it. Zach's going to explain the structure of the workout to you.
I've done the logistics, done the numbers, and we need to hit 500 reps for bis, 500 reps for tries. So we're going to do 4 exercises, 5 sets, 25 reps per set, and try as little rest as possible. See how quick we can smash it out.
Because this isn't just a 1,000 rep challenge, we're going to see how quick we can do it, and then you can tell us if you beat us. We're going to be doing 2 on biceps, 2 on triceps at any one time, and then it's switch in and out. One exercise to the next straight away. We're going to be doing the same weight, so no changing weight. Everyone does the same weight. We're all relatively similar anyway, so that's how we're going to run it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve.
Let's go!
5, 4, 3, 2,
No, don't do this, guys.
We've done 1 lot of 5. How many of these have we got to do?
5, 4,
5?
yeah, 5 sets.
4 exercises.
4 exercises.
Oh fuck, we've got 3 more to go. Look at the state of me already. Okay, so keep moving, keep moving, keep moving.
We're about to move on to the next one. I'm not looking forward to it, but we ain't gonna tap out now. We're not gonna do that. So what's next?
Shells, and then some rope extensions. Simple, very, very simple. This is gonna hurt.
Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want.
Final set, come on, let's go. Ain't nothing. Let's go, bro, final set, come on. Come on. Final set, all the way down! I want to bend those fucking elbows back, come on! Flex that tricep!
What you talking about? My shit is perfect! My shit is perfect!
Come on! 5 more! 5 more! Hoorah!
They know where the flag is, but when they can return it, you can love me or hate me.
5 more! Let's go! exercises done. We got 2 more. Halfway there. Halfway there.
We're 2 out of 4 down. We're halfway.
I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year. I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget. From nothing to something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man.
The last 5 are the hardest, baby. It's 4.
So what's that, 3? 3 of the, so 6 exercises done. Oh my God, 2 more to go. So we got another 5 sets of 2 exercises, so 10 more sets in total. We've now, flexed, unflexed, flexed, unflexed. There's zero difference. There's literally 0 difference. It's now painful to just stand. I can't put my arms anywhere where the pain alleviates. The trick of this, keep fucking moving.
Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
Bro, let's get it.
We're nearly done. Doing alright.
Final 2. This is it. We got this. 25. You good? Sound off. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 16. Yeah. Wow. I got you. Come on, man. I got you. 70. 80, 90, 20, 9, 4, 3, 2, fuck you. Stop the timer.
What's the time at?
31 minutes, 20 seconds, and 89 milliseconds. 1,000 reps. 1,000 reps. 31 minutes. 20 seconds. Can you beat it? Do you want to beat it? Oh, damn. That hurts. Even that hurts. 1,000 reps. 4 exercises per body part. 5 sets. 25 reps. It's 125 reps per exercise. You're going to be doing 50 to 60% of your normal weight only. And you're going to bleed. You're going to pump. It's going to hurt. This is a boundary breaker. One for the brain. 31 minutes, 20 seconds. Beat us. Beat us. Boom. You'll catch us again very soon. Don't worry.
Slow it up. Oh my God. I can't even bend them. Like, it takes so hard to get them up here. Like, it's so slow, and then you finally get it.
Oh, well, no.
Yeah, that's true. You know how fucked up our arms gonna be like tomorrow and the next day?
Oh, go to the expo.
We're going to out-angle anyone. We're still back.
I'm getting front of this is somebody tomorrow. Man, this is all I can do.
There's no T-Rex in it.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking tense, man, after a workout like that. Man, that's a